Welcome back to another video, and because I missed the predictions video, I made the predictions on a Word file, but I didn't actually record the video or enter it into the website. So because of that, I'm using a different format. So I found an Excel sheet from How to Excel. Check out his YouTube channel, shout out. But everything automatically fills the score lines in, and this was the only place where I could actually enter my score lines. So I've filled my previous score lines as what I have predicted over here. So I've already predicted these exact score lines. You can cross check if you want. But I made my score lines during kickoff, like just before kickoff yesterday, actually, and I just wrote them down onto a piece of paper. I actually got one scoreline straight on the head, but right now the West Ham Forest game is going on and Man City Brighton. So I'm gonna just finish these predictions quickly, and I'll probably actually post it before the Monday games. So let's just get it over and done with. So for Aston Villa and Palace, I've gone for a 1-0 win, and the goal will be scored by Ollie Watkins. Chelsea versus Fulham, I've gone for a 3-1 win. João Pedro Neto, Liam Delap and Muniz. Manchester United versus Burnley, terrible display from us, but I thought we'd actually also not win by that much. I predicted a 2-1 win, and the scorers to be Cunha, Sheshko and Borja. Sunderland versus Brentford, I predicted to be a 2-1 win for Sunderland. The scorers being Granit Xhaka, Mark Guiu and Wissa. Spurs versus Bournemouth, I've gone for a 0-1 win for Spurs, and the reason I have actually gone for this is because this is just what Tottenham do. They win against City and then they lose against Bournemouth. And as you know, I predicted every week for Evan Nielsen to score, and this match actually turned out to be a 0-1 win where Evan Nielsen scored. This is the match I got the scoreline exactly on the head, but I swear I did not do that. I predicted Evan Nielsen to score every week, so that's my proof. I don't know what more to give. Just trust me. Wolves versus Everton. I've gone for a 1-2 win for Everton. The scorers being Strand Larson, Grealish and NDA. Leeds versus Newcastle, I actually predicted 2-0 to Newcastle. Scorers being the new signing Voltemada, which I actually found out just before I made these predictions, a bit before I made the predictions, and Bruno Guimaraes. Brighton versus City, I have gone for, it's not yet happened, but I'll post it after it happens, it's probably over. I've gone for a 3-1 win. Mitoma, Haaland Brace and Omar Marmoush. Forest versus West Ham, I've gone for a 3-2 win. I wanted to go 2-1, but I don't know, something compelled me to write 3 names. I just wanted to write 3 names for Forest, so that's literally the only reason. It's 3-2. Otherwise, I would have predicted. Oh, and I think it's going to be a 1-goal difference. Anyways, I predicted the scorers to be Hudson-Odoi, Gibbs White, Chris Wood, and a Jared Bowen brace. Liverpool versus Arsenal, really interesting match, but I predicted the boring scoreline, a draw of 2-2. The scorers being Salah, Saka, Gyökeres and Wirtz, and that's the end of the predictions. And this is the table so far after 3 weeks, according to my predictions. Honestly, Manchester United should have been higher up on the table. We should have done better against Burnley. Losing to Arsenal, that's fine, but we should have not drawn to Fulham. Sunderland being this high up, because I got in because of their form, and they actually are 6th place. Chelsea are on top. I predicted it correctly. Villa aren't so high up. Liverpool, I think, are a bit higher. Overall, this table is kind of actually almost spot on. Burnley have got a win, so they are a bit high up. West Ham have not yet got a win, actually, but I predicted them to get 3 points. It's a little bit longer video because I'm trying to, put more emotion to the videos to make it more engaging and put more input instead of just predicting scorelines, show more personality. What also limits me is a good microphone. Okay, so now match week 4 predictions. You just saw me do match week 3 and I did them. I promise I did them before seeing any match. Like I made the predictions before the match, but I was recording it during the match. Now for this, I'm actually recording it 2 minutes before the match starts. And I forgot about it totally because over the international break and stuff like that. And I forgot last time actually because I thought it was the FA Cup. My bad. But anyways, let's just get into the predictions. So if it's a little late, you know why. So Arsenal versus Nottingham Forest. I've gone for a 3-1 win to Arsenal. The goal scorers will be Victor Gyökeres, Eze, Odegaard, and Chris Wood. Bournemouth versus Brighton will be a 1-1 draw. Scorers will be Evan Nielsen and Minte. Crystal Palace versus Sunderland will be a 1-1 draw again. Mateta and Isidore. Everton versus Aston Villa will be a 2-3 win to Villa, a much needed win for them. Goal scorers will be Grealish, Njai, Harvey Elliott, Watkins, and Marlon. Fulham versus Leeds will be a 2-1 win to Fulham. The goal scorers will be Traore, Iwobi, and Sean Longstaff. Newcastle versus Wolves will be a 2-0 win for Newcastle. Goal scorers will be Voltemada, new signing, and Joelinton. West Ham versus Spurs, I think, will be a 1-3 win, and I think it can go either way. By the way, it can be 3-1 for either team, but I think it's going to go for the Spurs. I just mean, like, Spurs is that kind of team, but I think it's going to be a 3-1 win to Spurs. Goal scorers will be Suchek, Solanke, Kudus, and Kulusevski. Brentford versus Chelsea, I think, will be a 3-0 win to Chelsea. Goal scorers will be João Pedro, Estevao, and Pedro Neto. Burnley versus Liverpool, I think will be an absolute demolition. I think, but Burnley will hold their own for a bit, I feel, but after that will be a demolition. I think 4-1 to why do I keep saying Wolves, to Liverpool. Goal scorers will be Isak with a brace. I don't know, but there's something stopping me from giving him a hat-trick. There's also something stopping me from predicting Salah to score. So I've gone with Wirtz and Chiesa. Something's telling me Chiesa. So Isak, brace, Wirtz, Chiesa. And something's telling me as well that Walker is going to score. So that's why the 1. Then for the Manchester derby, United always turn up against City, so I feel it will be a 2-1 win to United. And the goal scorers will be Haaland, of course. And I just feel Šeško will get his first goal. And since Bruno is playing in the 10 position he's more comfortable with, I think he's also going to score 1 goal. Those are my predictions. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.